What is narrative therapy for CBT relapse prevention? Imagine rewriting the story you tell yourself about your struggles with addiction or habits. That's what narrative therapy does, especially when combined with cognitive behavioral therapy for relapse prevention. It helps you see your challenges as separate from who you are, like calling addiction the beast instead of part of your identity. This externalization makes it easier to face cravings or setbacks without feeling shame or failure. In relapse prevention, narrative therapy encourages you to reframe your personal story. Instead of focusing on past failures, you highlight moments of strength and control. For example, recalling times when you successfully resisted temptation boosts your confidence and sense of self-efficacy. This process is called reauthoring, where you craft a new, empowering story about your recovery journey. It reminds you that you are capable of change and growth. Another key part is deconstruction. This involves examining negative beliefs or cultural myths that might make you think relapse is inevitable. For instance, challenging the idea that addiction is a personal flaw helps you see it as a problem that can be managed. This shift in perspective reduces feelings of hopelessness and encourages a proactive approach. Documenting is also important. Writing down your new stories, creating artwork, or recording your progress helps solidify these positive narratives. When cravings hit or high-risk situations arise, you can revisit these documents for motivation and reassurance. They serve as reminders of your strengths and your commitment to staying sober or on track. Practically, therapists might ask you to tell your addiction story in a way that highlights your triggers and how you coped with them. You might externalize cravings by naming them or visualizing them as separate entities. Then, you develop alternative stories that focus on your ability to manage these triggers and maintain control. This approach deepens your understanding of your relationship with addiction and reinforces your coping strategies. In essence, narrative therapy adds a personal meaning layer to traditional cognitive behavioral therapy. It helps you see your recovery as a story you are actively shaping, not just a series of problems to fix. By rewriting your narrative, you build resilience, boost your confidence, and strengthen your resolve to stay committed to your goals. It's about turning your story into one of strength, hope, and ongoing growth.